I mean my arm.
I said freeze!
Okay, why are we in this situation?
You know exactly why.
Okay, maybe I do, but can I put my arms down? They're really tight.
Shut up!
You shut.
I have the gun. I got control.
I want to put my hands down right now, okay?
No.
Yes!
No.
I said yes!
No! Bang!
What the heck was that?
I shot you.
So am I supposed to be dead right now or something?
Well, it's in the director. It's in the script.
Why do I have to die? Why can't he die? He's a total
We don't
dork.
even know the guy. He's not even in the movie.
What if we killed him?
Well,
He
I don't
would
think
be.
the director will like that idea.
Well, how about you die? Bang!
Doesn't have to be like this.
Birds of a feather flock together, so do pigs and swine. Rats and mice will have their choice, and so will I have mine. Birds of a feather flock together, so do pigs and swine. Rats and mice will have their choice, and so will I have mine. Birds of a feather flock together, so do pigs and swine. Rats and mice will have their choice, and so